Hey there! So Animal Crossing New Horizons came out. Everyone knows that. Who doesn't know that? But did you know that New Horizons does not have a Froggy chair? Tragic news! I mean, I hope they consider bringing it back. There's a whole hashtag about it on Twitter and people really want it back. Well, they want that alongside some other things, but just please give us the Froggy chair. For now, I'm gonna be making a felt Froggy chair pin / brooch today. Let's get into it. Stuff you will need: some felt in blue, red, and dark in light green, matching color threads for all of them, the template, the link to this image will be in the description, scissors, preferably fabric scissors, pins, something to draw on the felt with, I use a thin bar of soap, and a needle. Now, if it looks like I scavenged these felt pieces from a dumpster, well, that's because these were the only pieces I had left from before, and since we're all quarantined in our homes, I couldn't get a hold of more. First, we need to cut out all the pieces on the template. I'm making my pin to be 5 centimeters tall, but you can do it any size you like. Once you have your pieces cut out, we need to trace them onto our felt. So just lay your template on the right colored felt and draw the pattern onto it. And then, of course, we need to cut them out. Now time to sew the little pieces onto the chair. Damn it, I need a double knot. So using the matching color thread for each piece, we're gonna sew them on the chair with small basic stitches. When all that is complete, we need to give this whole piece a backing. So I'm gonna cut a piece big enough to cover the whole chair and then sew it onto that. Ideally, I would have chosen the backing to be black. Firstly, because it gives it a cool outline, and secondly, because I used the same color backing as the chair, at the end it turned out looking a little chubbier than I'd wanted it to look. Now, whatever color backing you choose, you're gonna need 2 of those. Once you're done sewing the first backing, it's time for the next one, but first we need to attach the pin to it. So, figure out the right spot you want your pin to be sewn on. I marked it so that I wouldn't lose it. And if you're using a pin like mine, make sure you sew the back part onto the felt and not the side that opens up. And again, I just used basic stitches for this. Now, like before, we're gonna sew the layers together. This time you don't need to run your needle through all 3 layers, and just sewing the second and third layer together is fine. And last step, we're gonna cut the extra parts around the chair. Just be careful that you don't cut through your stitches. And that's pretty much it. Hope this little project helps speed your boredom during these days and also makes us feel like there is still hope for the return of this gem. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Stay safe, wash your hands, like, subscribe, blah blah blah, and tell me in the comments what you thought of this. Okay, bye!
Are you ready?